What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Bill. We're at the beach with the friends, fam. Dang, look at that mod. Look at that physique, bro. I'm feeling it. Out here with Bay. Friends, fam.
You're going to be looking for the vlog.
Vlog. Well, yeah. First time out since like, what is it, 3 months?
For like, yeah, 3 months
Get
now.
it?
3 months, so it's pretty sick, yeah. So it's good to actually be out and see other people.
Feels good.
But,
Feels
yeah,
really good.
Feels good, yeah.
We ate in a restaurant.
Restaurant? We shared drinks.
Hashtag stay home.
Hashtag stay home. We all drank from each other's glasses, so
But we're all related. So.
that makes it different. Yeah, so we're just gonna enjoy the sun right now. And yeah. GoPro gang. GoPro gang. Oh shit.
GoPro trigger? There you go.
That's the biggest SDs we're going. I'm not trying to get. Pull the phone up.
The big waves died down, but they're gonna come back. Huh? Oh, look at that big wave coming behind us.
What's our
Ice cream. It says
Ice cream.
Good Vibes towel
Good Vibes towel?
from Dave and Buster's.
Dave's and Buster's. Dave's and Buster's. Look at that. Look at that. Now we're headed to Bakersfield for Eddie's birthday. Woo, turn up!
That way. Happy birthday, Eddie! It's the birthday boy!
Okay.
But Eddie, Eddie. Eddie, take a picture.
Ready? Ready? Go back.
Everyone, I want you to count from 3. Come on, ready?
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 Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here.
Ready?
1.
Count from 3 to 1.
Or 3. Sorry.
3. Obligatory. Every time I come visit home, I gotta see if Sally's alright. She's all good. Looking cute. Very soon, baby. Very soon. To our place later. Hi guys. Headed home now. To Glendora, our home. Leaving Bakersfield. It was fun. saying hi to everyone and all that kind. So, celebrating the homie's birthday, his graduation, seeing his family.